I miss you. I thought today, since we're not together in our classroom, we can do an experiment together. This is another experiment that you can do at home, and you have lots of things you can do this experiment with too. So let me tell you what I've got. I have a bowl and I've already filled it up with water. And I put my bowl of water on a tray so that if it splashes, it won't get on the floor. You can ask your mom and dad if that's okay. And then I walked around my house and I found some things that I am going to put in the water, and we're going to find out whether they sink or float. So I want you to go around your house and find things that you can put in water. And don't forget, make sure with your mom and dad that your things are allowed to go in water. So when you have your things, before you put them in the water, I want you to make a guess or a prediction. And remember, prediction means guess. I want you to make a prediction of whether your object will sink and go to the bottom of the water, or whether it will float and stay on the top of the water. I'm going to start. The first thing I brought upstairs is a spoon. My prediction is that my spoon will float. Let's find out. It does. It floats. So I'm going to keep track. I'm going to record what happens. My spoon floated. I'm going to draw a picture of a spoon. When we're all done, I'm going to go back and I'm going to color my pictures in, and you can too. Let's see what's next. I brought up a rubber band, a purple rubber band. Mr. Tony, do you think my rubber band will sink or float?
I think it will sink.
Let's find out. It's kind of halfway. It's not all the way at the bottom, but it's not all the way at the top. It's sort of in between. Oh, it sank. I touched it and it did go to the bottom. Our rubber band sank. Let's draw a picture of a rubber band under sink. I have a comb. All right, friends, what do you think? Will my comb sink or will it float? Let's find out. It's floating. It's floating on the very top. Let's draw a nice comb. I have scissors. These scissors are kind of heavy, so my prediction is that they will sink. Let's find out. They did. The scissors sank. Let's draw a picture of scissors. Let's put them handles. And a smaller one. Let's make them curve. Don't forget, when you're done, you can color them. My scissors sank. Next, I have a golf ball. What's your prediction? Let's find out. The golf ball sank. It is quite heavy. Let's draw a picture under sink. And my golf ball has little dots all over it. And finally, I have one more thing that I got from my house. And this is another ball. This ball is made of glass. It's pretty heavy. My prediction is that this will sink too because it's pretty heavy. It doesn't. It floats. I wonder why it floats. I think it floats because there's air inside. You can't see the air, but there's air inside of this glass ball, and that's why it floats. I'm going to draw a picture of my big glass ball under floats. So there's our experiment, friends. We have sank, and we found 3 things that sank: a rubber band, scissors, and a golf ball. And we also had 3 things that floated: a plastic spoon, a little pink comb, and a big glass green ball. When we're done, I'm going to go and color mine, and I hope that you have fun doing this experiment too. Bye.